up, world? It's your girl Ashley, and we are going grocery shopping. I am at my local Walmart. As you see, I am ready for surgery. I'm about to go up in here. I have a long list, okay? I mean, long. I have a long list of things I need to get. Hopefully, I won't be in here forever. And my shirt says, roses are red, people are fake. I stay to myself so I won't be on the first 48. I know I'm a little extra, but all right, let's go grocery shopping. The two things I'm going to be making, I don't even know if you guys can hear me. It's going to be strawberry bruschetta, and I'm going to do a Philly steak egg roll. So we're going to see how this goes. Okay, so I just finished grocery shopping. It took me about a good 2 hours. I'm not going to even lie, about an hour and a half maybe. I spent $160. And I got a lot of stuff. A lot. I got a lot of stuff. But on the menu for today, like I said earlier, Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Man, we're gonna see how this come out. I'm gonna make chicken for my son because he's allergic to beef and he can't eat any type of form of beef. He'll go into anaphylactic shock badly. So I'll make him a chicken version, make me a steak version, and we're gonna see. I don't know if I'm gonna use, I have to make one more stop, but I don't know if I want to get steakums meat or if I want to get like ribeye meat shredded up. All right, second store run, because these will be all the groceries that I basically use for the whole month, okay? Because I don't know about you, but I'm not going to the grocery store every day. I'm not. And I got my little sidekick here with me. Can I put you on? My little sidekick, my little boo-boosh, my boo-boosh. All right, we're about to make these egg rolls. I don't know how many times I said it, but we are about to make it now. We are done with the shopping. I will put the price of everything that I used somewhere in the video, so you'll see the makeup of how much it costs to make whatever I'm making for the next 14 days for this 1 in 14 challenge. All right, you guys, stay tuned. I have my chopped up chicken. I'm going to add the fajita seasoning, pepper, and a little bit of salt to taste. And I'm just going to cook the chicken through. My son likes his food plain Jane. Now I'm going to take my peppers and onions that I thinly sliced, and I'm going to saute them with a little bit of oil and adding my fajita seasoning with a little bit of pepper. Got my shredded ribeye steak, some fajita seasoning that I got from my local grocery store, my mixed peppers, my onions. This is the fajita seasoning that I got out of the Hispanic aisle, and it's really good. It's really, really good. And then for my son, I just put his is chicken. He's very particular. He's allergic to beef, so we have to make sure everything is everything. My provolone cheese in the middle of my egg roll wrapper. I'm just going to put my filling in the middle of it. Put water around all the edges. I'm going to fold the top all the way to the middle. I'm going to put water on the top. I'm going to fold my sides in. Put more water on the top. Tuck it in tightly. Fry them bad boys up. Cut them on the bias, which means on a diagonal. Made some little boom boom sauce, and we in there. With this 1 in 14 challenge, I challenge you every single day. You make one thing that you've never made before, that you're curious about, something you're a little uneasy about. every day for the next 14 days. Make something, post it, write me on my blog and let me know what you made. Hashtag 1IN14 challenge and hashtag cooked in my kitchen. We're going to do this together. We're going to get our fears of whatever fear we have in the kitchen. We're going to kick them out one day at a time. One day at a time. As always, like, comment, subscribe. And until